It's a 2013 Buick LaCrosse. We want to elevate your driving experience to embrace all of your senses. This luxury sedan will become a quiet sanctuary with leather-wrapped steering wheel and a remote keyless entry. Listen to music the way you want with the CD player, MP3 input, or using the newly standard IntelliLink system, which uses Bluetooth or USB to stream music from your smartphone. And we always have your safety in mind with the multiple sets of airbags, brake assist, and stability and traction control.
The leather seats offer style and durability. Drive safely and confidently, knowing the multiple airbags will help keep your passengers safe. Head to toe, your look is complete with chrome wheels.
Indulge your senses with the newest luxury sedan, the 2013 LaCrosse. Come in today and go for a ride.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.